My daddy used to say, to me, yeah, he said, son, when you go camping, you make your own fun.
Your daddy was a smart man.
Yeah, he was.
When we went camping, we never used to do things that we do at home. You know, like we'd chop wood,
Beat up squirrels,
beat up hobos,
light huge fires.
light hobos on fire.
Yeah, we did.
It's true.
Choke on our own vomit,
Bear tipping,
rabbit kissing,
reading German philosophy like Nietzsche.
and Aristotle.
It's true. Milking the bull cow.
Scratching your own balls.
That ain't no fun.
Yeah, it is, right.
Hey, that is fun.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Well, that's camping for us. Darn
True.
good time it is.